Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, King Dragon 666 Shorts. Now, today's video is, look how pretty the truck is. It's raining, and it's cold, and I'm in it. I am in the thunderstorm. So, you like this storm? Leave a like now. So anyway, we are going to be watching the thunderstorm. Looks like here's a good spot to watch it. You can see the water coming down on my screen. So yeah, as long as we're here, nothing can ruin this day. Oops, sorry, I accidentally zoomed in. So yeah, if you're wondering why I'm outside, it's because it's supposed to be raining all day and all night. So basically, I am outside recording our yard. And holy goodness, there's a flood in our yard. I don't know, guys, you can see that, but that is definitely a flood. So let's back off the yard. And then we have this, that's our neighbor's tree, and it's pretty beautiful when it's raining on it. So, if you're watching this video, make sure you leave a like and comment down below.